Hello, in front of me I've got Suzuki Across. In this video I'll show you how to activate dynamic radar cruise control. In the beginning, take a look at the instrument cluster and next enter Settings. Scroll down and find Dynamic Radar Cruise Control in Vehicle Settings. Switch it to enable or disable this function. Next you can find and adjust curve speed reduction. While traditional cruise control simply maintains set speed, DRCC is smart. It uses radar sensor, usually hidden behind the Suzuki or Toyota badge on the grille, and camera to detect speed and distance of the vehicle directly in front of you. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.